Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are created by enclosing key-value pairs in curly braces, separated by commas, with each pair consists of a key followed by a colon and its corresponding values. Okay, to create an empty dict, let's create a variable a equal to an empty curly braces, which denotes an empty dictionary. Let's print a and you will get an empty curly braces which denotes an empty dictionaries. Okay, let's check its data type by typing inside the print function type, then one more parenthesis inside it, put the variable name, then you will get class dict, which means a variable holds dictionary data type. In Python, dictionaries are like real-life dictionaries. Instead of words and definition, they store pairs of keys and values. Imagine a dictionary where each word, the key, has its own definition, the value. Say student equal to a curly bracket. Inside it, say the key is name, then put colon, then the value of name is suf, then put comma, then say another key name as age, then colon, the value is 12. Here the name is a key and the suf is a value of name key, and the age is a key and the age key value is 12. Let's print it. Print student and you will get name suf age 12 inside the curly braces. Well, let's compare this to other sequence like a list. For example, say my variable name a equal to a set of square bracket. Inside it say 1 2 3. Okay, if I want the second number, I need to use indexing. Remember, indexing starts from 0, so to print the second number, which is 2, I use print function, set of parentheses. Inside it say a variable name, then a square bracket. Inside it you need to put the indexing value, so 1, and then you will get 2, the second number. Okay, to simplify, unlike such as sequence such as list are tuples which are indexed by a range of numbers. In dictionaries are indexed by keys, which can be any immutable data type such as strings, numbers, or tuple. For example, say I want to print the value of the age key in the student variable. To do this, say print one more time. Inside it student, the variable name, then the square bracket, inside single quotes, inside it the key name, the age. Okay, age, then you will get 2, the value of age key. Well, let's talk about methods in dictionaries. The first one, clear. It removes all elements from the dictionary. For example, here there is a dictionary name as student. Inside it there are two pairs, name and age, the keys. Okay, to clear it, say student dot clear, like this clear function, then print student and you will get an empty dict, which is it clears all the element from the dictionaries. Then a copy returns a shallow copy of the dictionary. For example, say here I have another variable, say student2 equal to student dot copy, like this, then print the student2 and you will get a shallow copy of the student variable. To get all the items, there is a method called items. It returns a view object that displays a list of keys and values in tuple format. For example, say print Inside it say variable name student dot item function. Then print. You will get every values and every pairs and keys inside the tuple format. To see the all keys present in the dictionary, you can use the key method. For example, say print inside it the variable name student dot keys, and it will returns a view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary. And you can see the dictionaries, the keys present in the student variables are name and the age. To see values of present in the dictionaries, there is a method called values. For example, say print student the variable name dot values, then it will return a view object that displays a list of all the values present in the dictionary, and you will see the values are suf and tuple. Then a pop method. It removes and returns the value associated with the specified key. If the key is not found, it returns the default value none if not specified. For example, say I have to remove the age pair, then I have to print like this, print inside it the variable name student, then dot and pop like this. Inside the pop parenthesis you have to put the variable name. Inside the quotes say age, the key, okay, and it will remove the age. And now let's print it as the student variable, and you will get only the name pair only, and it will remove the 12. Okay, and the last method called update. The update is used to update the dictionary with the key value pairs from another dictionary or an iterable of key value pairs. For example, say here the name pairs, the name key has a value sub, okay, and I want the name key value as be learning. For example, say print like this, no, say student the variable name dot update like this. Inside it the parenthesis you have to put a curly braces. Inside it say double quotes the key name, then colon by separated by colon, okay, then the value is learning like this, okay, learning, then print whatever, print the student, and you will see name has been changed or updated to from suf to learning. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thank you.